Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. And if you're new here, hi, my name is Veronica, and today we are going to be unboxing our LovEvery play kit. This is the Realist play kit, so it's for ages 19 to 21 months. I'm a little late on unboxing this one, but we have just been so busy, and I did receive the prior 2 boxes to this, and I just didn't film them because I'm just gonna be honest, I was too lazy to do it, and I'm kind of upset that I didn't. So we are going to unbox this one for you guys today. This is the box. It's definitely a lot bigger than the ones that he used to receive when he from 0 to 1, and that's because the 0 to 1 goes in sets of 2 months, and the toddler ones that go up to age 3 come in a set of 3 months. So yeah, it's a big box. If you guys don't know about LovEvery, it is a play kit subscription for your little one, and if you guys have seen any of my previous videos on the unboxing of our boxes, then you will know how much I love LovEvery and how much my son loves it as well. A little bit about them. They are, again, like I said, a play kit subscription for your little ones. And what they do is they go ahead and curate these boxes based on your child's development. So what a 19, 20, and 20-month-old should be working on, can do, stuff like that, to aid them in their developmental growth. So I absolutely love that. Again, it takes the guesswork out of you figuring out what toys would be best to help your child grow. They do that for you. These are also high quality toys, so a lot of them are made out of wood, which definitely will last you. They're very durable, and if you have a toddler, then you know they like to throw things. And what's really great about LovEvery, if you happen to lose a piece or it breaks, you are able to go ahead and repurchase that single item to go ahead and replace the one that you have lost. Thankfully, we have not lost any yet or broken any, but it's good to know that I can always just pick that one item instead of purchasing the entire kit all over again. The play kit subscription is $120 per box, so it breaks down to $40 per month, but you do pay obviously the $120 because you're getting the whole package all together. So I'm going to go ahead and unbox this box for you guys today. I will leave the link in the description box down below to go ahead and check them out. If you are interested in getting one for your little one, definitely go ahead and check the link out. It does come with a discount code for you guys, so you can save a little bit of money on your first box. But for me, it's totally worth it. I think you and your little one will love it. But let's get into the box. Okay, you guys, so this is the box. I kind of can't put this in frame anymore like I used to. So this is the box. There's a little picture of the cute little one. Again, this kit is called the Realist, and this is for months 19, 20, and 21. If you guys hear any noise in the background, it's my dog. So you take out this little insert. You see all the play kits right here. And then everything that's in the box. So this is everything that you should be getting in your box. And let's go ahead and pull everything out. Every box in here comes with one of these little ringlet binder things. And this is just kind of an overview of what your child is going to be doing during these 3 months, what you should expect, activities that you can do with them outside of these toys that you have here. It tells you about the toys, why these toys were chosen, how to work with them, and what it does for your child's development. So I love that because it gives you so much information, and you're just not being handed a set of toys and just like here. They give you information about what it's all about. Also here we've got we've got a coupon here to try out the Happy Tots organic pouches. My son loves these, so it's always nice to go ahead and pick up one of these. Let's go ahead. Oh, and then let's see, it also has this little booklet here. This is the materials and care for all of the items in here, so it tells you how to go ahead and care for all of the items in terms of cleaning them, if some of them can be washed or whatnot. So it's always good to make sure you go ahead and keep these, because some of these are cloth and, you know, chances are they can and will get dirty. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and go through the ringlet and go through all of the items that are in this box. And first up, it's a little mini book. It's called Being Silly. These I like to go ahead and keep by his diaper changing station. He is still in diapers. We are working on potty training, but it's not going as well as I'd like it to go. So if any moms have any tips on how you potty train your little one, leave them in the comments down below, because the mama could use some help. But like I was saying, I like to keep these by his changing station because they definitely go ahead and are a little bit of a distraction to go ahead and make those times a little easier. And it's so cute. So it's got all these little kids making like silly faces, and it's just super cute. Next up, this booklet right here. This is Bedtime Zone. And it's basically kind of like the nighttime routine. So you're going to go ahead and clean up your toys, you're going to get changed, you're going to take a bath. What else do we have here? The steps of your bath, washing your hair, washing your body, rinsing. So it's really cute. That way your little toddler learns his nighttime routine. He's actually really good with his routine. We actually do this. We clean up, we take a bath, go get him dressed. We have like a little snack. We do story time. So if you guys are interested in seeing his nighttime routine, definitely go ahead and leave a comment down below as well. I'd be more than happy to film our little nighttime routine. But this is definitely a good book to go ahead and go over with them for a routine. Next up is a little flashlight, and it is a working flashlight. So this is so cool. I absolutely love this. It even comes with the batteries. So obviously I'm not gonna do it right now, but you're gonna open it from the back, put them in. It's got this little button here, and he likes buttons, so I can already see him doing this the whole time and burning out the battery. But this is so cute, and it can go ahead and teach them opposites, which on, off, dark, light. So this is a really good activity, and it also gives them a little bit of independence because they're having control over their own object and how it works. Next up, we have another book. It's Reading with Touch, Texture, Sound, and Scent. And this is the little Leo and Melody at the Farm. It's a pretty thick book, and it's got little areas where you can go ahead and touch and feel different textures. I don't know if this one has one. Let's see. And he loves these type of books. We have a little bunny that goes to the zoo, and he loves to touch all of the different textures. So this is really good for sensory. We've got the tire. It's so cute. There's a scratch and sniff section. Oh my god, it actually really smells like lavender. This is so good. Next up, we have this How Does Your Garden Grow puzzle. Let me just take this off. So this puzzle here is really good for fine motor skills and also helping with the pincer grasp, because you have to use your pointer and thumb to go ahead and lift and place these puzzles in their place. Next up, we have this quilted animal pockets, and this is good for concentration, dexterity, and tenacity. So it's going to be working on those fine motor skills of getting the item in and getting the item out and putting it back in, and eventually you can go ahead and start working on matching the items. So he'll eventually learn that the duck goes in the duck pocket. And this is so cute. I'm gonna obviously go ahead and hang this in his little classroom area, and switch it out with a couple of other items that I have so he doesn't get bored of the same thing over and over again. But these are so cute. They're so soft. And I love the color, like it's vibrant. I also love how it's a little bit more realistic than just cartoony. Again, this will go ahead and allow them to associate those items in the real world. I cannot talk today. Associate those items with the real world items and not just like a picture. Now we have another little mini booklet, and this is called Few and Many, and this is supposed to practice with quantitative reasoning. So as you can see, she's got two band-aids. Two band-aids versus all of these. I'm not going to count all of them, but few versus many. Now this next one, I'm really excited for him to go ahead and try out because he loves to try to open things. I have my little makeup box, and he can actually open that fairly well, which worries me a little bit. Thankfully, I don't actually have anything in that little train case, but this is the lockbox. So it's got 4 sides here that you can go ahead and open. They each have a different lock. And this is going to be so good for his problem solving skills because he obviously has to figure out how each one of these works. And what I love is that they have little balls inside. So it's kind of like a prize. When he opens it up, he can take something out. So we've got the latch. Well, they're all latches, but this one's there. The sliding one. And then this one. These two, I'm sure he'll get fairly easy. This one I know he'll get almost right away because that's what the train case is like. So this is going to be definitely a lot of work. Next up, we have a pitcher and a glass, and this is going to go ahead and help them practice pouring, which is going to be working on their hand-eye coordination. So the more practice they get, the less spilling you're going to have of them with anything. So I absolutely love this. I'm going to use this when we work at his sensory table that I have, and I'm most likely going to put that table outside so he doesn't get the inside of the house completely dirty because it's obviously going to have sand and water and all of that in there. But this is, like I said, very good for hand-eye coordination. Next up, we have this wooden pegboard and this drawstring bag, which has all of the little pieces inside. And again, this is another item to go ahead and help with fine motor skills. And they just need to go ahead and place the peg side into the holes. They can stack them up. And this is said to actually help a child with spatial and math skills. So you better be a genius, okay? Anyways, so I think these are super cute. As you can see, they're wood, definitely going to be very durable. I know he's going to love these. He likes to stack things and then knock them down and stack them again and knock them down and just over and over and over again. But anyways, that is the last item in the box. I'm so excited for these toys. They're like getting so much like big boyish each box that we get, obviously because he's becoming a big boy, duh. But it's kind of like sad because I want him to stay little, but it's definitely really rewarding to go ahead and see how much he is growing and learning. And yeah, that is that mom life, right? All right guys, so that is everything I received, or everything he received in his box for this play kit. I am so excited. You would think it's for me, but it's for him. But as you can see, everything is just very nicely made, good quality products, definitely going to last you a lot. I would highly recommend taking a look and checking them out, especially if you are a little uncertain as far as what would work best for your child. I mean, the price is completely worth it. It does sound like a lot because you are paying it all at once, but it's really not a lot when you break it down per month and you see the quality and the type of items that you're receiving. So definitely check them out. And yeah, that is it for today's video. Make sure you are subscribed to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up and leave a comment down below of what you would like to see next on my channel. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye.